What do you mean by excuses? Excuses are something that we decide to do and we don't do. We decide to get up early in the morning, but when actually alarm rings, what we do? We just postpone the alarm or we stop the alarm and we sleep for 2 more hours again. Isn't it interesting that we are living in lockdown and very few things we have to do and very few people are working from home and majority people have nothing to do in whole day. They are lazily sleeping every day. Excuses are okay for limited time, for particular period of time. But if you keep continuing the excuses, if you keep practicing the excuses, what will happen? That making excuses will become your habit, and it will very difficult to break the habit. I would like to tell you my story of giving excuses. Before lockdown, I was there in Nagpur, and I had decided to record at least 2 videos in a week and put that on YouTube. I had started my YouTube channel an year ago, and I had worked very little for YouTube. Around 5 to 6 videos I have put on YouTube in a whole year. So I had decided to post videos on YouTube. But coincidentally, before lockdown, I had come to my village and I locked in lockdown. And around 20th of March, the lockdown has started, and today is 24th of April. Around 1 month and some 3 to 4 days. So 1 month I just wasted my time. I was just sleeping and eating. I was doing nothing. But there was a thought in my mind that I have to record the videos. But that thought was not too strong. My excuses were more strong than my thought. So I just wasted the time. But few days ago, I was sitting quietly and I was thinking, like, how am I living? How was my past and how will my future? So I thought that and I realized that I'm wasting my time. And what I did, I just wrote down what I have to do. I wrote down I have to record at least 2 videos in a week. Then what I did, I wrote down the excuses. What excuses? The list of excuses I have had. The excuses were, I have got locked in lockdown at my village. Here is very slow internet connection. I don't have proper background to record the video. This is what my background and this is my home actually. And unfortunately, my laptop had stopped working when I came to my village. The charging slot got inside and charging could not happen and laptop is not getting turned on. So these much the list of excuses I have had, and these excuses are enough to stop someone. So I had written the statement what exactly I have to do. I have to record at least 2 videos in a week and the list of excuses, and then I got to know that how can I overcome that. And then what I did, around 22nd of April, I wrote my first script and just practice it and just recorded the video and put my video on 24th of April itself. Today is the 24th. Today in the morning I had put my first video. Right now I'm recording my second video, that excuses, my story of excuses, and I'm recording it, and tomorrow I'll just publish it on YouTube. So this is what the story, and I know, guys, every living human being must have some creative thought, some desire in their mind, but we just irrelevantly give excuses. We just procrastinate the things. You must be having some desire in your mind. Are you procrastinating? What you have to do? You just have to write down what exactly you have to do. Just write down. Then write the list of excuses. Then write down what things are coming in between your goal and you. Just write it down. As you write down your list of excuses, your mind will tell you that how you can overcome all the excuses that coming in between you and your goal. And soon you'll be working on your goal. Soon you'll be working on your desires. And you will achieve what you want to achieve. This is Rahul Shende. We'll meet again in another video. Thank you for watching.